Hello, it's Kylie from Scott and Roy Marketing. Today we're going to be going over how to make pages active on your new KW IDX site. So I'm over here in the consumer section of Command, and you can access it by clicking on this icon here on the left hand side and coming up to Agent Site Pages. So the first thing you'll want to notice is over here under this column that says View, you'll have some of these icons that are teal blue, which means that the page is active and on the site, and you'll see others that are grayed out. This means that the page has been created, it just has not been added to the site yet. So any new pages you create will be gray, or if you edit a page in the design section, it'll come up as gray. Even if it was already on your site before, it'll still need to be re-added. So once you're ready to get those added, come up to Site and App Settings, click on Site Pages, and you'll want to come over here and click on Add Page. And so here it'll allow you to select your page, and you'll want to note that you can currently have up to 10 pages on your site at a time. And so if you just created 11 or 12 pages, the two most recent pages will not show up. It'll only show the first 10 here. So if you're creating more pages, you may have to go back to the agent site pages and delete some. Otherwise, what you'll do is you'll click on the page you want, continue. You'll need to give it a title. We'll call this Download My App. And you'll need to give it a URL slug. So what this is, this just appears right after the URL, as you can see in this example. And each page has to have its own individual slug. It can't have the same as another one, otherwise it'll mess up the page connection. So in this case, we're just going to call it App. And all you do is click on Save Page. And so what you can do now is you can click on these dots here and drag it to move it in the menu. And I always hit Save again just to be sure. But then you'll be able to access your site and see the new page. Just a side note here, if you want to remove some, you can click on the three dots over here, delete, and it'll have you click one more time to confirm. Oops, there we go. And that's as easy as that. That's how you make pages active on your site. Have a great day.